Hey, thank you for attending a workshop with me. I love meeting you in your vulnerability, in your courage. I love seeing you grow. Experiential learning around intimacy and empowerment and expression is one of my favorite things to do. And I'm doing my best for the learning to stick with you. So we're doing a lot of experiments. You get to share what happened for you, and then share with the whole community. So the learning is everyone's. And you get to witness or be part of a forum or a mirror, whatnot. And those experiences, they kind of stick. But after the weekend workshop, what usually happens is that one leaves with the ambition to stay connected to the group. People are in love, they share emails and phone numbers, make chat groups, but very soon this evaporates. So the need to integrate is not addressed. And then one goes back to life, same old, same old. So it's a bit sad. And in my life, I have needed environments to continually remind me of who I am and who I can be in support of others. I've lived for years in intentional communities, so I know the power of having almost like an oasis in the desert where I can go and drink, where I can be seen and heard and felt. So what I want to invite you to is an integration group. It's a bi-monthly call where you're going to come in and you're going to meet others, perhaps who took your weekend workshop, others who have taken a training or a weekend workshop with me, or sometimes even an evening workshop. But who knows that they need that place where to come and get embodied, get connected, and then be part of a collective healing. So that you can go on into your life and integrate who you are, why you're here, in every interaction that matters to you. So I'm opening an online portal where the veterans of this work get to meet and feed one another the love, the presence, the joy, the challenge with one another. So if you want to have a meeting every other Tuesday from 7 to 8:30, look below here and you can get a subscription link. You can get more information about this offering. And if you have any questions about it, then also drop me a message. I can't wait to support you and also be supported by you on our shared journey towards more love, more joy, more freedom, more power, more hell fucking yes to life, as you, as me, as us, this life. Ciao.